Once you get someone to click on your video on YouTube, the best way to increase performance is to get them to stay and to actually watch your video. But they might not be interested in everything in the video, maybe only certain parts. That's why YouTube chapters are so incredibly helpful, but they're so tedious to edit and to add to your video. Until now, TubeBuddy now has a chapter editing tool that saves 80% of the time on adding chapters to your videos. It's great. So install TubeBuddy if you haven't already, and then I'm just going to click one of my videos here in YouTube Studio to demo this for you. As you can see, I've got these timestamps, these YouTube chapters that my editor manually added to my video description in a tedious way. You don't have to do that anymore. You can now use the Add Chapters function of TubeBuddy to edit your chapters and to add chapters in an intuitive way now. It's so easy. So as you can see, you can click anywhere in the video timeline and click the plus button and literally add any chapter you want and name your chapter. Pretty cool, right? And then once you do, it adds it over here in your list of chapters. You can adjust the timing of any of your chapters along the way by manually changing the numbers here. And you can also change the titles of your chapters. As you can see, these titles have superfluous information like video 1, 2, 3 in them. People don't care which video that came from, they just want to know the name of the chapter. So I'm going to remove this information, just to demo how you can quickly edit your chapters and tighten them up at a glance. You can also hit the minus button on chapters if you want to get rid of them. So chapter 5, this one I added here, I could hit the minus button to remove it, or I can hit the garbage can right here and it will get rid of your chapter. You can copy these to your clipboard if you like, but in my opinion, it's much easier to add them directly to your video using the Add to Video function. Once I hit that, it'll give you this pop-up, you hit OK, and it, as you can see, could tell where my chapters were before, edited my chapters, and added them here, and then all I have to do is click Save. Now my chapters are edited, they're nice and tight, they're adjusted, and I can move on with my life without tediously typing every little thing in my video description. I hope this saved you time and increases the retention on your YouTube videos. If you're ready to go deeper to learn more about YouTube growth and TubeBuddy as a tool, we created a totally free guide at notcorrupt.media going in depth on all of the features that you need to know about to grow faster and to make your life easier when using YouTube as a platform. That's notcorrupt.media.